Remember what I said about getting wet? Especially on the left-hand side.
Smoke. Go. Fire. Go. Okay, we're clear for a full run through. All systems checked. This one's for real, guys, so watch out. And action.
Boys. So, got any other moves you want to show us?
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving
Effects demonstration. If you look at the rain, look a little higher, you'll see sprinklers shooting the water up into the air. And when it falls, it looks just like the real stuff. That's how we can create rain here in Hollywood. Thanks, guys. That was great.
Oh!
Look at on the left. Remember what I said about getting wet, especially on the left-hand side. There's 2 cars. Don't worry about all that water. We are very water conscious here at NBC Universal. We're not going to waste any of it. It'll be back at the top of the hill in about 15 seconds. We believe in recycling. Yes, we do. Let's see what that flash flood looked like in the film Big Fat Liar. This is where we are.
You can't outrun a wolf, kid!
Yeah, we'll see about that.
Hang on, funny folks!
Hold on your belongings. This one's the big one.
Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters, and we ain't got nothing to hide. We move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh. Fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up. Play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it.
History. But these houses, as you can see, remain, and we have already been using them for other projects. That's why they don't look exactly the way they did on that show. But this cul-de-sac has been used for several episodes of Parenthood. CSI has also filmed on this street. We've had lots of commercials filming here. And this was also used for a new movie called The Little Rascals. Now that's a movie that is based on that classic series of shorts from the 1920s, 30s, and 40s. You may remember seeing them when you were little. They starred, with Frankie. It's a very happy time in Whoville. But who knew that Whoville was right around the corner from the Bates Motel and the house from Psycho? On the hill on the right, we have the actual house from Alfred Hitchcock's masterpiece, Psycho. Down below, the Bates Motel. Anybody need a place to stay tonight? I hear the rooms are very clean. Room service is excellent. Oh, and there's the man to ask. That's Norman Bates. Norman, we've got some guests from out of town who need a place to stay tonight, and it's Thanksgiving weekend. I thought you might give them a discount, Norman. He seemed a little preoccupied, didn't he? Oh, what is he carrying? Is that... Oh, I think I know who that is. Why is she wrapped in a shower curtain? Whoa! He just plopped her in the trunk of that car. That was not very nice. Oh dear, I think we've outstayed our welcome here. Oh yeah, it's definitely time for us to check out of the Bates Motel. Everybody, lean to your left. Norman, go for the golf cart. Photo opportunities, just like the photo shoot. We have stopped the tram. Feel free to stand up, take as many pictures as you like.
The airplane crash site set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around the vision that Stephen had.
When we first began to sit down and talk about War of the World, I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good.
And if I could have everybody take their seats again, thank you. By the way, this airplane is a very real airplane that was taken apart and brought here and made to look as if it had crashed on this set.
Robbie, get in. Get in. Drop it.
I've talked about different types of sets in our back lot, shells and facades, which we use for exterior filming, and practical sets, which we can use for both in to see what it looks like in here, though. Oh, that almost looks like a treasure trove down there, doesn't it, huh? Oh, did I just see an Oscar lying there? I wonder who lost their Oscar. Well, maybe that's why they never wanted us to go in here. They didn't want anybody attacking that treasure trove. Oh, wait a minute. Something's happening.
Yeah. Yeah. Go this way. No, that one. This one. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, folks, the side.
Face the waves. The survivors live on these floating fortresses known as atolls in this place called Waterworld. Brave explorers voyage in search of the legend of dry land, the last remaining on the planet. But the Deacon, maniacal leader of a group of evil raiders called Smokers, is determined to find dry land first. He's ensured that no explorer has ever returned until now.
Close the gates! Hey guys, keep a lookout. Seth, come help me. Dryland, but we have to hurry. The Deacon and his smokers are searching for me.
Smokers in the distance! Battle station! Son, get in the car! Hurry! Seaplane! It's a seaplane!
I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always
yeah.
flirting with pain. She like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate themselves in society, so I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety. We make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never. And turn your mind into the truest of go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You poor lost souls on this big floating piece of sheet metal. The provider has spoken. He tells me personally, someone around here knows the way to dry land. Yes, my flock, dry land. We're gonna pave it and drive it, tax it and tithe it. Sweet Joe above, we're gonna use it cruise. Hi, Helen. Would you care for a smoke? Hey! We're gonna play some games. You wanna play?
Idiot, you need to shoot the mariner!
Whoa, Helen, where are you going? Did I say you could leave before the party was... Oh, no! Oh, you are dead. Go get the girl. Come on, cousin, go get her. Boy, he's not your kind. I don't think he's behind you. You're not gonna ruin my plans for Dryland, gill-necked, mutating freak. Chris, find me a weapon. Spencer, I need a weapon.
Hey, Mom, how about this?
Let's go, Mariner. You and me. Mono E.
You've got something on your face? Mariner! I think we got him!
You got something on your back. Why is he still... See that ladder? I need you to climb it. A little faster, please, Helen. Good girl. One.
Okay.
That's a good girl. What?
Mariner!
Ow! Oh. I don't think so! Seconds?
No!
Celebrate the birth of a new nation. Dryland is my destiny!
Hey, Deacon!
Hey, what? Huh? Oh, no, 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 no! 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 Ever? No! No! No!
That was a joke.
It's a 20.
Thank you. A very scary flight by Slasher, also known as Waffles the Chicken. Each trainer, Kim, is going to place him into a strong current of wind. Then we can replace the green screen with any background. Get your cameras out for that perfect shot.